clear this side first.
Okay. Watch out for the roof.
We need more water over here. All right, pull the rope taut to the next marker.
Right here?
Yes, that's the spot. Lower it slowly, watch the edge.
A little more to the left.
Okay, set it down gently now. Keep it steady, slowly now.
A little more to the left.
Okay, it's set, move back.
A little more to the right, slowly.
Okay, that is perfect, lock it in.
Anh đặt về.
Lift it higher on the left.
Okay, push it in now.
Secure that joint quickly. Lift it higher on your side.
Okay, I've got it.
Watch the strut below.
The moisture levels are stable, but this specific joint shows signs of stress on the tablet.
Agreed. លេខកាញបំតឹងទៀតរយថ្នាំត្រួយហើយ We need to align this edge perfectly before the next cut.
Yes, I see the mark you made right here.
Pull it up slowly.
Watch the corner there.
All right, bring it down now. How are the measurements looking on the main truss?
Everything is within tolerance. The alignment is secure.
Is that aligned? Almost. Give it another tap.
The measurements here align with the updated schematics. Yes, the compression looks stable. Let's check the lower supports for moisture.
As you can see, the support pillars are perfectly aligned with the design specs.
And the railing stability is confirmed. Excellent work.